I had given up. I just did not think that there was any hope or help for me out there. I had absolutely no energy. My body hurt all the time. I was extremely fatigued. It was an effort to get out of bed. I'm too young to be feeling like I'm not going to make it another year. She was able to identify some areas that nobody had ever mentioned to me before. My progesterone was flatlined. My cortisol from my adrenal glands, they weren't functioning, so that was flatlined. Candida was a huge issue, and my gluten intolerance had progressed to where now it's a gluten allergy. I was dying. My God, the difference is night and day from this time last year. That's the biggest joy, is being able to participate in my loved ones' lives. I lost a significant amount of weight. My energy level is much higher. My body is working better. My digestive system is working much better. I'm not in chronic pain in my abdominal region anymore. My depression is so much better, and my blood sugars are phenomenal. I am living for a change. She's there, she listens, she cares. Dr. Lee has been a blessing to all of us.